X is 1, 1. Question number 2. Say true or false. 1. 0 is the smallest rational number. 2. There are an unlimited number of rational numbers between 0 and 1. Third, the rational number which does not have a reciprocal is 0. 4. The only rational number which is its own reciprocal is minus 1. 5. The rational numbers that are equal to their additive inverses are 0 and minus 1. Solution. First question. What is first question? Here, a statement is given. 0 is the smallest rational number. We know that unlimited number of negative rational numbers are there. Therefore, 0 is not the smallest rational number, since 0 is greater than all negative numbers. Therefore, given statement is wrong. It means false. Therefore, answer is false. Then second question. What is second question? There are an unlimited number of rational numbers between 0 and 1. Let us see the solution for this question. Second one. Consider some numbers between 0 and 1. For example, 0.00 etc. 1, comma, etc. comma, 0.00 etc. 2, comma, etc. comma, 0.00 etc. 3, comma, etc. less than 1. Now we took some numbers between 0 and 1. How many numbers are there? We don't know the number. Therefore, we can say unlimited number of rational numbers are there, lie between 0 and 1. Here, in our question, statement is there are an unlimited number of rational numbers between 0 and 1. That means the statement is correct. Therefore, we can say true. Therefore, answer is true. Then third question. What is third question? The rational number which does not have a reciprocal is 0. See the solution. The reciprocal of 0 is 1 by 0. We know that. Reciprocal of 1 is 1 by 1. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Therefore, reciprocal of 0 can be written as 1 by 0. But 1 by 0 has no value, since a number cannot be divided by 0. So, the rational number 0 has no reciprocal. Here, in our question, given the rational number which does not have a reciprocal is 0. That means statement is correct. Therefore, answer is true. Then fourth question. What is fourth question? The only rational number which is its own reciprocal is minus 1. See the solution. Fourth one. The reciprocal of 1 is, we know that 1 by 1 is equal to 1. And the reciprocal of minus 1 is 1 by minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So, these two numbers, 1 and minus 1. These two numbers, 1 and minus 1 are their own reciprocals, respectively. It means reciprocal of 1 is 1, reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1. Therefore, given statement What about given statement? Fourth one, the only rational number which is its own reciprocal is -1. So it is wrong. Here two numbers are there, not only -1. Therefore, but also 1 is there. Therefore, we can say the numbers 1 and -1 are their own reciprocals respectively. Therefore, given statement is wrong. Therefore, we can say answer is false. Then fifth one. What is fifth question? The rational numbers that are equal to their additive inverses are 0 and -1. See the solution. Fifth one. The additive inverse of first number 0 is 0. Additive inverse means here 0 plus its additive inverse will get 0. Therefore, inverse of the 0 is the 0. That is, they are equal. They are equal means this number 0 and its reciprocal are equal. And second number, the additive inverse of -1 is +1. Since add these two numbers, we will get 0. Therefore, additive inverse of -1 is 1. Additive inverse of +1 is -1. Here, the number and its additive inverse are not equal. Therefore, given statement is wrong. What is given statement? The rational numbers that are equal to their additive inverses are 0 and -1. In the case of 0, 0 and its inverse are equal. But in the case of -1, it's -1 and its additive inverse, that means +1, are not equal. Therefore, this statement is wrong. Therefore, we can say answer is false.